What is NFT? Non-fungible token. It is what it is. And we're done for today. Smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Just kidding. We'll break this down for you. Not to worry, we still got your back as always. Welcome to today's video where we explain everything you need to know about NFTs. You can call this NFT 101. Let's get straight into it. What is NFT? NFT is an abbreviation for non-fungible token. And what does that mean? A token that is not fungible. Being fungible means that it's replaceable or interchangeable, like a $100 bill that can be interchanged with 5 $20 notes for the same value. Such a transaction is not possible with NFTs. Each one is unique and no two pass for the same value, which is why they are described as non-fungible. NFTs transform digital works of art into verifiable assets that are easy to trade on the blockchain. A popular story has been told of a despicable NFT artwork, the first of its kind, sold by Christie's auction house. It was a collage of images by digital artist Beeple, and it sold for almost $70 million. This report drew the attention of the entire universe to the world of NFTs. But how exactly do they work? If you're a lover of arts or a creator, this should catch your eyes. Transforming your artwork into NFTs is the new cool. It affords you way more opportunities than the local art exhibitions and saves you the hassle of finding an art dealer to trade your artwork. Now you can trade your art directly online and never lose your rights to it. What's more, you earn royalties on your art for every time it's retraded. With this, you get the value you deserve from the artwork you spent hours to create. To turn your artwork into an NFT, you need a digital wallet, a small purchase of Ethereum, which is the most common medium of exchange for NFTs, and a connection to an NFT marketplace where you'll be able to upload and turn your content into an NFT. A few common marketplaces include OpenSea, Mintable, Rarible, and more specific ones like NBA Top Shot, which is reserved for basketball videos and other collectibles. Depending on the platform you choose, the procedure may vary, but you'll essentially upload your content to a marketplace, then follow the instructions to turn it into an NFT. Then you can add a description to your artwork and a suggested retail price. Most NFTs are purchased using Ethereum, but can also be bought with other ERC20 tokens such as Wax and Flow. To buy an NFT, consider the marketplace you'd like to buy from, what kind of digital wallet you need to store your NFT, and what cryptocurrency you need to complete the sale of your purchased NFT. Some marketplaces charge a gas fee, which is the energy required to complete the transaction on the blockchain. Other fees can include the costs for converting dollars into Ethereum and closing expenses. That's it for today. We hope we were able to demystify even a little bit the concept of NFTs. Please smash that like button and subscribe to this channel for more informative content like this. See you in our next video.